Hello guys, welcome again. Today we are going to start our new topic, history of Jammu and Kashmir. So let's start. In first few questions we will discuss sources of history of Jammu and Kashmir. Our first question is, which among the following texts were used by Kalhana for writing the early history of Kashmir? Option A, Nilmat Purana, B, Tawarikh Kashmir, C, Bahrul Asmar, and D, Zafarnama. Correct answer is option A, Nilmat Purana. Nilmat Purana is oldest record of Kashmir history. Its author is not known. Author of Tawarikh Kashmir is Malik Haider. And Bahrul Asmar is Persian translation of Raj Tarangni, written by Mullah Ahmad during the time period of Zainul Abidin. And Zafarnama was written by Sharifuddin Yazdi. Our next question is, according to Nilmat Purana, which is the oldest record of the valley, Kashmir was a vast inland lake called as? Option A, Kashyapura, B, Kashmiria, C, Satisaras, and D, Kashmir. Correct answer is option C, Satisaras. This inland lake was known as Satisaras. Kashmir is also known as Kashyapura because of its founder, Rishi Kashyap. In Greek, Kashmir is known as Kashmiria. Our next question is, Mirza Haider Duglat gives a detailed account of Kashmir, its people, agriculture, religion, architecture in his book. Option A, Waqiyat Kashmir, B, Zafarnama, C, Tarikh Rashdi, and D, Tabqat Akbari. Correct answer is option C, Tarikh Rashdi. This book was written by Mirza Haider. Mirza Haider was cousin of Mughal ruler Babur. Mirza Haider ruled Kashmir Valley from 1546 to 1551. In 1551 he died. Author of Waqiyat Kashmir is Khwaja Muhammad Azam Kol. And Tabqat Akbari is written by Nizamuddin Ahmad. This person was Mughal historian. Our next question is, Sir Walter Larvenus has given authentic record of the physical features of Kashmir Valley in his book. Option A, Valley of Saints, B, Valley of Flowers, C, Valley of Shepherds, and D, Valley of Kashmir. Correct answer is option D, Valley of Kashmir. This book is written by Walter Larvenus. Walter Larvenus also made the first land settlement of Kashmir Valley in 1889 during the time period of Pratap Singh. Gulmarg is known as Valley of Flowers, and Pahalgam is known as Valley of Shepherds. Our next question is, Kalhana's Raj Tarangni comprises of how many cantos? Cantos mean divisions. Option A, 10, B, 8, C, 6, D, 4. Correct answer is option B, 8. Raj Tarangni is divided into 8 cantos. Raj Tarangni is written in Sanskrit language and it was completed in 1148 to 1149. This was written during the time period of Jaisimha. Jaisimha was the ruler of Lohara dynasty. Our next question is, what was the name of Kalhana's father? Option A, Champaka, B, Devika, C, Sirivara, and D, Harsha. Correct answer is option A, Champaka. Kalhana's father's name was Champaka. Our next question is, the Neolithic culture of Kashmir is indicated by the discovery of ground and polished stone tools at well-known site of. You have to tell the site. Option A, Badamwari, B, Burzahum, C, Betawali, and D, Harwan. Correct answer is Burzahum. Burzahom is Neolithic site in Kashmir in Srinagar district. This site was first excavated by D. Tara and Patterson in 1939, and this site lies in Srinagar and gives the earliest human settlements in Kashmir Valley. Another Neolithic site is Gufkral in Pulwama district. Our next question is, second edition of Raj Tarangni was written by which person during the reign of Zainul Abidin? Option A, Zona Raja, B. Sukha, C. Mullah Ahmad, and D. Sirivara. Correct answer is Zona Raja. Zona Raja right is the second edition of Raj Tarangni, and Sirivara right is the third edition. And Mullah Ahmad made the Persian translation of Raj Tarangni during the time period of Zainul Abidin. Our next question is, who was the first ruler of Kashmir mentioned by Raj Tarangni? Option A, Gonanda first, B. Damodar second, C. Govind first, and D. Gonanda second. Correct answer is option A, Gonanda first. Gonanda first was first ruler of Kashmir as per Raj Tarangni. Our next question is, who was the first Mauryan king to have ruled Kashmir Valley? Option A, Chandragupta, B. Bindusara, C. Ashoka, and D. Jaluka. Correct answer is Ashoka. Ashoka was the first Mauryan ruler to rule Kashmir Valley. And Chandragupta was the founder of Mauryan Empire in India. And Bindusara was its second ruler of Mauryan dynasty. Bindusara was also the father of Ashoka. Ashoka was succeeded by Jaloka in Kashmir. So Jaloka became the ruler after Ashoka's death in Kashmir Valley. Next question is, Kalhana noticed that Ashoka built 2 temples at, you have to tell the place. A. Bijbihara, B. Avantipura, C. Anantnag, and D. Patan. Correct answer is option A, Bijbihara. In ancient times, Bijbihara was known as Vijayeshwara. In Avantipur, Avantivarman built 2 temples. One is Avantiswara and another is Avantiswami. This temple was dedicated to Shiva and Avantiswami was dedicated to Vishnu. Avantivarman was founder of Utpala dynasty. In Anantnag lies the famous Martan temple constructed by Lalitaditya, and in Patan, Avantivarma's son Shankarvarman built a famous temple named as Sugandesha temple. Sugandesha temple in Patan. Our next question is, which ruler of ancient times founded the old city of Srinagar? Option A, Ashoka, B. Kanishka, C. Jaluka, and D. Damodar. Correct answer is option A, Ashoka. Ashoka built the old city of Srinagar. Then it was known as Purandistan, and now it is known as Pandrithan. New city of Srinagar is founded by Parvarsena II and named as Parvarsena Pura. Our next question is, Mahmud Ghazni tried to invade Kashmir during the rule of which Hindu ruler? Option A. Avanti Varman. B. Shankar Varman. C. Sangram Raja. And D. Jayashma. Correct answer is option C. Sangram Raja. It was during the time period of Sangram Raja that Mahmud Ghazni tried to invade Kashmir Valley. Sangram Raja was founder of Lohara dynasty. Lohara dynasty. Sangram Raja helped Tirlochan Pal. Because of which Mahmud Ghazni tried to invade Kashmir in 1014 and 1021 AD, but he was not able to conquer Loharkot fort. Our next question is, Mongols under the leadership of Mongol commander Zulchu, also called as Dulacha, invaded Kashmir in 1320. Who was the ruler of Kashmir during this time? Option A. Suhadeva. Option B. Simhadeva. Option C. Jagadeva. Option D. Uchala. Correct answer is option A. Suhadeva. Suhadeva was the ruler of Kashmir during Mongol invasion. Our next question is, after the end of Mongol invasion, who became the ruler of Kashmir? Option A. Shahmir. B. Rinchina. C. Zainul Abidin. And D. Suhadeva. Correct answer is option B. Rinchin. Rinchin became the ruler of Kashmir after Mongol invasion. He converted to Islam by famous saint Bulbul Shah Kashmiri and named Rinchin as Sadruddin. Rinchin built the first mosque of Kashmir Valley, named as Bird Masjid. Our next question is, who was the last Hindu ruler of Kashmir Valley? Option A. Suhadeva. B. Simhadeva. C. Udayandeva. And D. Sangram Raja. Correct answer is Udayandeva. Udayandeva died in Treaty of Amritsar was executed by the British East India Company and Gulab Singh on which date? You have to tell the date. Correct answer of this question is option B. 16 March 1846. On 9th March 1846, Treaty of Lahore was signed between Sikhs and East India Company. During this time, Governor General of India was Henry Harding. You have to remember this thing. Our next question is, who was the first Mughal governor in Kashmir? Option A. Qasim Khan. B. Ali Quli Khan. C. Dilawar Khan. And D. Zafar Khan. Correct answer is option A. Qasim Khan. Qasim Khan became the governor of Kashmir in 1586 during the time period of Akbar. It was Akbar who conquered Kashmir, and Ali Quli Khan was the last Mughal governor of Kashmir Valley, and Dilawar Khan was the governor of Kashmir Valley during Jahangir, and Zafar Khan was Mughal governor of Kashmir during Shah Jahan. Our next question is, who was the last Afghan governor of Kashmir Valley? Option A. Abdullah Khan Ishaq. B. Sukhjivan Mal. C. Nuruddin Khan Bamza. And D. Jabbar Khan. Correct answer is option D. Jabbar Khan. It was during the time period of Jabbar Khan in 1819 that Ranjit Singh occupied Kashmir. Our next question is, who was the first Sikh governor of Kashmir? Option A. Diwan Moti Ram. B. Man Singh. C. Diwan Kripa Ram. And D. Sheikh Imaduddin. Correct answer is Diwan Moti Ram. Option A. Diwan Moti Ram was first Sikh governor of Kashmir Valley, and Sheikh Imaduddin was last. Our next question is, which Dogra ruler founded the Dharmas Trust? Option A. Gulab Singh. B. Rambir Singh. C. Pratap Singh. And D. Hari Singh. Correct answer is Gulab Singh. Gulab Singh founded the Dharma Trust. Gulab Singh ruled from 1846 to 1857 and Ranbir Singh ruled from 1857 to 1885. Pratap Singh ruled from 1885 to 1925 and Hari Singh ruled from 1925 to 1948. Our next question is, which among the following are not the major achievements of Pratap Singh? Option A, construction of Bani Halkat Road. Option B, construction of Ranbir and Pratap Canal. C, introduction of Compulsory Primary Education Act. D, construction of Mora Hydroelectric Power Project. Correct answer is introduction of Compulsory Primary Education Act. This act was passed by Hari Singh and not by Pratap Singh. Bani Halkat Road was thrown open in 1921 and these two canals were constructed by Pratap Singh on Chenab River in Aknoor. And Mohra Hydroelectric Power Project was completed in 1905. Our next question is, Sri Pratap College in Srinagar was established by which Dogra ruler? Option A, Hari Singh. B, Ranbir Singh. C, Pratap Singh. D, none of these. Correct answer is Pratap Singh. Pratap Singh established the Sri Pratap College in Srinagar. Our next question is, All J&K Muslim Conference was launched in the year? Option A, 1928, B, 1932, C, 1938 and D, 1939. Correct answer is 1932. All J&K Muslim Conference was established in 1932 and all Jammu and Kashmir High Court was established in 1928 and in 1938 Jammu and Kashmir Bank was established and in 1939 all J&K Muslim Conference was converted into all J&K National Conference. Our next question is, Second Battle of Panipat was fought between which two leaders of medieval India in 1556? Answer of this question you have to write in comment section. Your options are Babur and Ibrahim Lodi, Akbar and Himu, Ahmad Shah Abdali and Marathas, Himu and Sher Shah. So guys, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you.